When it comes to farming, there has always been a better way of doing things, a way that was passed down, a way that seemed to work. But here at PPP, we do away with the old thinking and approach things from a different angle. Our team of highly qualified and passionate professionals create innovative agricultural equipment because we believe in a better way. We look for new answers to get improved quality, quantity and efficiencies from both land and herd. We ask why. We collaborate with our customers to get the clearest insights which help produce the most efficient solutions. We don't get stuck up on the way things were. We get stuck into the way they should be. Agriculture is getting tougher year on year. Continual pressure is put upon our resources and previous efficiencies no longer cut it. We believe in the power of technology and innovation to help you hit your targets while providing you and your animals the best conditions possible. We believe in asking why. We believe in working harder so that you can work smarter.